The reason why we built FAPSCO is to unite the Filipino online professionals industry, to also promote collaboration with each other, and of course we wanted to help produce skilled online professionals, specialists, and of course leaders.
We've created POPSCO with a vision to become an organization that supports all Filipino online professionals to be successful in their online careers and businesses, regardless of their affiliations.
I joined FAPSCO because as an online professional who's working at the comfort of my home, I needed other individual can share with me on this freelancing journey.
The reason why we have built the Filipino Online Professional Service Cooperative is to help DICT graduates, aspirant freelancers, and this is also to help them develop, explore, and acquire new skills when it comes to online professional industry.
Ang paglambo o kalampusan sa usa ka organisasyon nagadepende sa kalidad sa mga miyembro o mga lideres niini. Ang FAPSCO dili lang adunay maanindot kayo nga advokasya o misyon na matabangan kitang tanang mga online professionals na magkahiusa, mulambo o mutubo kita sa atong pagpanarbaho o pagnegosyo online.
FAPSCO for me is a digital opportunity for me to develop and share my skills.
I joined FAPSCO as one of the founding members because I knew FAPSCO is going to be backed by other veteran online professionals and freelancers, thereby having an experienced, solid, and passionate founding members that we have today.
I joined FAPSCO because the vision of the co-op aligns with my personal vision to provide much needed support to online professionals nationwide.
I joined FAPSCO because the people that I've met have the same values, mission, and vision as mine. And that is to provide assistance, pre-training, and coaching to those who wants to jumpstart their career as a freelancer.
I joined the FAPSCO community because it promotes collaboration instead of competition.
I joined FAPSCO because this is the group with a helping hand.
I wanted to be part of an organization that would be a pioneer group of individuals who will be working to promote online freelance.
It's a great privilege to be part of the first national-based cooperative for online professionals. With a pool of seasoned freelancers, business owners, digital jobs, PH trainers, and trainees in our community, I got to connect with them and grow my network.
So joining an organization like FAPSCO helps me develop leadership and digital skills within an environment of my peers.
My FAPSCO family is a community that helps you nurture your skills and help you gain the knowledge and the skills that you need.
One of the reasons why I joined FAPSCO, it is important for us to have a network of people that could help us in terms of just simple advice.
So the reason why I joined FAPSCO is because it was founded by people who I trusted, people who already established in the industry, and they thought that it was such a great opportunity to be able to work with them.
I joined FAPSCO because it's the first national-based cooperative for online-based professionals.
So I joined FAPSCO because I love the values, its mission and vision to help more Filipinos.
Why I joined FAPSCO? It is all because the values, the mission of FAPSCO really aligned to my values also.
I joined the Filipino Online Professionals Cooperative because I wanted our individual reputations to have a collective reputation for excellence.
Well, the reason why I joined FAPSCO is to have a community where I can grow as an online professional.
The reason why I joined FAPSCO is to give back to the community and be able to help each other.
I joined FAPSCO because I want to share my skills and my talent with all online professionals.
The reason why I joined FAPSCO is that I don't want to miss the opportunity to join the first cooperative that is created specifically for online freelancers.
I joined FAPSCO because I can see that it will help me improve and develop my skills and my personality.
I joined FAPSCO because I am very inspired with their achievements and advocacy in promoting and helping Filipino freelancers.
Being a member of FAPSCO
surely brings a lot of wonderful memories on how I started out with my career.
I joined FAPSCO because I want to be a part of this online professional community where I can gain more knowledge, skills, and support from the group.
I joined FAPSCO because harmonious FAPSCO family relationship and understanding between business associates that bring me a peace of mind.
Why choose FAPSCO? They offer opportunities and trainings for freelancers.
First national-based cooperative for online professionals, which is FAPSCO. A community of expert freelancers in the Philippines, which gave me the opportunity to further hone my skills in social media.
I joined FAPSCO because I believe in the mission, vision, goals, and objectives of the organization to further enhance and develop the industry of online professions and virtual work in the Philippines.
I joined FAPSCO because I saw the potential growth is not just reaching one's goals and being successful, but there is camaraderie.
So I'm here with FAPSCO, and it is my way of paying it forward to the guidance that I also received when I was a startup.
Joining FAPSCO, I finally found my home, a family, a community of like-minded individuals who share the same passion, vision, and pains.
I joined FAPSCO because I want to empower my fellow freelancers to be the best that they can be.
That's a big, big yes. We are really growing together. Okay, once again, welcome to another edition of FAPSCO Academy. Medyo na-miss nyo kami itong mga sumunod na araw, guys, kasi medyo naging busy ang FAPSCO Academy. Ang ating media ay medyo naging busy, okay? Actually, meron tayong, before we continue, sige, tuloy ko muna to. For tonight, and for this whole month of November, ang ating topic ay about video editing. So, kung kayo ay nag-struggle about video editing, so, eto na, sundan nyo lang kami. Okay, panoorin nyo lang itong aming episode mula ngayong araw na to at sa mga susunod na Tuesday pa para sa FAPSCO Academy. Okay, once again, my name is Ave Flores and I am going to be one of your moderator for tonight. Okay, for tonight's webinar series, it's entitled How to Edit Video Adobe Premiere Pro. So yung mga nag-struggle, lalo na yung mga mahilig mag-reels at saka yung TikTok, diba? Usong-uso ngayon. So hindi nila alam kung paano nila i-edit yung kanilang video. So eto na guys, eto na yung pagkakataon nyo para matuto kayong mag-edit para mas mapaganda nyo pa. Diba? Yung inyong reels at yung inyong TikTok. Siyempre, dahil usong-usong ngayon yan, napapanahon. Okay? Again, this training or this webinar is for our FAPSCO members, DICT graduates, and aspirant freelancers who wants to develop, upskill, and explore more about the freelancing and online professionals industry. Okay, by the way, we would like to thank our FAPSCO Media and, of course, FAPSCO, the Filipino Online Professional Service Cooperative, for this wonderful show. Okay, let me just remind yung aking kasama sa Zoom, let's put our phone on silence mode. And please mute unnecessary noise that can interfere our webinar. And of course, to all our Facebook Live viewers, kamusta na po kayo dyan? Na-miss namin kayo nitong mga nakaraang linggo. Okay, kung dahil na-miss namin kayo guys, pakitype naman ang inyong location. Okay, pakitype lang dyan sa ating comment section kung saan ang inyong mga location. Okay, and of course, to our Facebook Live viewers, we are seeking for your active participation. Okay, let me just remind you that our Q&A will follow after the discussion of our speaker. Okay, sige, antayin lang natin guys ha, yung aking kasama ay medyo busy rin, ba? So maya-maya papasok si Miss Sydney, abangan natin sila. Okay, babalik ako doon sa nabanggit ko kanina. Actually, umattend kami. Yung Fapsco Media, nandun kami sa Iligan City. Hello sa mga taga Iligan. Kaway-kaway naman dyan kung andyan kayo. Kaya umattend kami ng Popcon 2022. Yung mga Filipino online professionals yung nagkaroon ng convention, nag-participate po ang Fapsco Media. So nandun kami ni Sir Dennis Baguio, si Miss Celeste, okay? At ako nandun kami. At kasama namin yung ibang mga members ng Fapsco. Okay? CJ, pwede ba tayo mag-share? Kasi meron akong, eto, nakita ko ito sa share tayo. Pwede ba tayo mag-share ng screen? Share lang natin sa kanila yung mga ilang mga kaganapan nung PAFCON 2022 na nangyari sa Iligan. Okay? Sige. Ayan, tignan natin. Ayan, share ko lang itong post ni Ma'am Emilu. Okay? From, tignan natin. Ayan, tignan natin siya. So ito, sabi niya dito to our PAFCON participants, speakers, and industry partners, thank you so much for all the support. Looking forward for more partnerships and online freelancing industry joint initiative. So, andi dito guys, yung mga malalaking pangalan sa online freelancing. Okay, as you can see, ayan. Pwede ko pang share, CJ? Click ko lang. With permission, Ma'am Emmy. Share ko yung yung post. Okay? Para makita nila yung kung ano yung nangyari dun sa Iligan. So, andyan si Mami MK. Actually, isang ng FH Moms. Andyan siya. Ito si Ma'am Emily. Ito siya yung naka-pink. At si Raquel Castro, ayan. At marami pang iba. Actually, ito sila Sir Dennis Baguio, si Ma'am Rochelle, and marami pa. Okay? Marami pa. Lahat ng mga taga-FAPS ko, ando dun sila actually. Okay, thank you so much. So, visit nyo guys yung page ng IIDB. Makikita nyo doon yung mga kaganapan ng PAFCON 2022. Napakaganda ng convention actually. At marami kaming yung mga napaka-informative, napaka-engaging nung nangyari na convention na yun. Hopefully next year, maka-join uli ang FAPSCO. FAPSCO and the FAPSCO Media. Tayo, okay? Doon sa PAFCON 2023. Okay? Sige, na-share ko lang guys. Na-excite lang ako kasi ang ganda nung nangyari.